I'm over here scratching the pigs. Hold on, baby. Come on. And get scratched too. She lays down so I can scratch her belly. You get scratched too, Oreo? Okay. And she turn her. Lay down. Lay down so I can scratch your belly. The other one's munching away. Well, this one gets scratched. Okay, Tina, come on. Let's go. Get up. Get up. I see you. You're gonna get scratched too? You're gonna get scratched? And she goes, she'll lay down now. Okay. Like it. This one likes it. Lay down, baby. Come on, lay down. Rub your belly. What's wrong, huh? Let's see. Smile for the camera. Oh goodness, they made a mess now. They'll freak out now that I get up. Just a baby, but look at that one. Actually, those two right there is the ones I've sold. I have to take this weekend. But some nice little hogs. And this one, look at his shoulders. And that one too. They all look good. And those two over here. That's a mean one. She's a female, but man, she's feisty. Here, let me turn it around for you guys. There. You guys have it all over the floor now. There's a baby runt. I'm gonna show you guys the babies. They'll freak out. Try they stay. These are all Hampshires here. They're a week and a half. A little over a week and a half. Once they eat their dinner, they'll go underneath that heat lamp. And I have another one over here. This is for the other sow we had when we took them out. This is a part of hers too when she comes out. And here's the other two sows I have. What's wrong, Peaches? Huh? What's wrong? Huh? What? What? You hungry again? Yeah. You're hungry, huh? This is the one that lost a little weight now that she was feeding her babies. And then we got that other one over there. She's a huge pig right there. She's a good mom too. What's wrong, Betty? Huh? What's wrong? That's one of my nice Hampshires there. Look at those shoulders. Her hams are huge. These are the nosy little babies here. These ones are Going on 2 months, I think. Not even, I think about a month and a half. Quit, Peaches. She's over there trying to stick her head through. Quit. What's wrong, guys? What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? And this is a feeder here. I just built this pen. You can't really see, it's all dark, but there's a feeder I got the other day. That way they can pick these up. About 15 pigs can feed from there. Let's go over here. I'll show you guys my boars. This is a too big. It says mater here. He's a Hereford. I got, that way I can breed with my other sow. We can have some Herefords, and he's nice though. And then there's Wilbur. This guy's a beast. He's only, let's see, about a year right now. Not even a year, maybe. Yeah, not even a year. And he's, I want to say he's pushing about 450 pounds. And this guy's about 400. But he's nice. He has a nice build to him. Come on, Mater. Can't really tell now in the dark, but these guys are monsters. And these ones have all their tails still. And the babies, I cut all their tails, that way they wouldn't bite each other. What's wrong, Mater? Huh? You guys hungry? Can't be hungry already.